Hi, my name is Hamidi, Customer Success Manager from LexisNexis Southeast Asia. Today I am very excited to walk you guys through with the core functionalities with Lexis Clause Intelligence. Let's start. Lexis Clause Intelligence is a tool to assist you in your legal drafting work by leveraging on advanced AI technology and extensive coverage of more than 15,000 clauses from our clause bank. It helps you specifically by analyzing your working template and surface out clause recommendations, allowing users to find best practice wording quickly and easily. To start using, simply upload or drag your working template in the drop section located in the Lexis Clause Intelligence homepage. Note that the accepted format is docx, and for your peace of mind, the uploaded files will not be stored in LexisNexis server once you have ended your session. Now you can click upload. In the analysis page, you can see your uploaded template in the left-hand side panel, whereas the clause recommendation can be found on the right. Easily track clauses from your template on which the AI has recommendation on by hovering along the navigation bar in the left-hand side of your screen. When available, the recommendations are provided at subclause level as well. Let's now turn on to the recommendation clause panel. The AI recommendation made are based on, among many, on this following consideration: the different commercial position taken by the author of the said template, similar clause from adjacent legal document, and many more. Depending on your subscription level, recommendations from other jurisdictions are available as well. To help you to review the recommended clause, drafting notes are provided for your reference. They are authored by subject matter experts with vast experience in legal transactional works. It provides you with insights on when, why, and how you can incorporate the recommended clause into your working template. The recommended clause are also available for download, or simply copy and paste it to your working template. Lastly, if you wish to view clauses beyond on what the AI have recommended, search feature is also available. Either search within Clause Intelligence or extend your research in other LexisNexis products in your subscription. Reimagining legal drafting with Lexis Clause Intelligence. Thanks so much for joining us today, and we hope to see you in the demo soon.